Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can install remote PC in your MacBook so we can access your laptop. First of all, you need to click on your web browser. I'm using Safari. You need to do a single click on it. Once it's opened, you need to type in attended.remotepc.com. Once it's opened, you need to click on download whole under Mac. Once it's downloaded, you need to click on this downloads and then click on this remote PC. Once it opens, you can close the web browser and then double click on this one, remote PC. And then you need to click on open. And then you will see this kind of interface. You have to wait for it, and now you need to close this and then minimize this and click on open system settings. You need to click this green icon and then go to this screen recording and check this box right here. Once you do, it will ask you for your password that you input when you turn your Mac on. Once this is done, you need to go back and then click on this accessibility and check this box, and then you can close this, and from down here open remote PC back again, and then you can share this code with us and we will access your laptop.